Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be replacing transmission cooler lines on a 2011 Jeep Wrangler using LinesToGo part number TCL-221-SS. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2011 Wrangler, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now.
LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made using 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 10mm wrench, pick or flat blade screwdriver, transmission line disconnect tool, LinesToGo part number 5834-01 or 7615-01, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Inside the front of the left front wheel well, use a pick or screwdriver to remove the plastic locking clips from the transmission line quick connect fittings. Use a transmission line quick disconnect tool, LinesToGo part number 5834-01 or 7615-01 to remove the two connections at the front of the vehicle. If this connection has excess dirt or rust, a pick can be used to remove the spring clip from the fitting, and then it can be replaced once the line has been removed. Raise and support the vehicle. At the driver's side of the transmission, remove the two lines from the quick connect fittings using the disconnect tool. Use a pick or flat blade screwdriver to remove the three plastic clips from the lines. Remove both transmission cooler lines from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your new stainless steel LinesToGo transmission cooler lines, start by installing the line labeled A into position. Connect the rear of the line into the top quick connect fitting in the transmission, making sure the spring clips are fully seated. Push the plastic retainer clip over the quick connect fitting. At the front of the vehicle, secure the line into the top quick connect fitting and install the plastic retainer clip. Install the next stainless steel LinesToGo transmission cooler line labeled B into position. Connect the rear of the line into the bottom quick connect fitting in the transmission, making sure the spring clip is fully seated. Push the plastic retainer clip over the quick connect fitting. At the front of the vehicle, secure the line into the bottom quick connect fitting and install the plastic retaining clip. Secure the lines using the three plastic clips removed earlier. Reconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Start the vehicle on a flat level surface and check the transmission fluid level using the dipstick at the passenger's rear of the engine. To top up the fluid, place a funnel in the dipstick tube and add the proper transmission fluid type. This concludes the installation of stainless steel transmission cooler lines on a 2011 Jeep Wrangler using LinesToGo part number TCL-221-SS. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992, email us at info@linestogo.com, or check out our website link below. Don't forget to take advantage of our free next day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you in our next video.